Alright, YouTube, in the process of getting that well house built, we're basically in the middle of summer. It's late June 2018, and there's a lot of biting flies outside that just eat me up. So ouch, I just got one. Dang it. See him flying? Ah, got him. See what I mean? Big guys. Let's try to focus here. Anyway, boy, wasn't that timely. Okay, so I'm going to make myself a horsefly trap, and you're looking right now at the frame. So it's basically going to be this frame. There's going to be this big ball that's going to hang and suspend below. I'm going to paint it black, and I'm going to have like a funnel that goes basically up here. So I'll show you as I progress. But oh man, these flies, they are not pleasant. And here comes another one. Stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, we're finished. And we're catching flies. They're not getting us. So let me go over this real quick. It's 36 inches wide around all four corners. This is scrap 2x4. The materials were purchased at a large store name that starts with W. As you can see, this is a picture, and let's see if you can. Let me get a good picture of this fly. You see him? Big old horsefly. He would bite the heck out of us. And then there's other flies in here. There's one there. So they're finding their way into my trap. Alright. Just a little bit about the construction. Basically have 2x4s. You can see that the long face is here. I lap it, and then these are 36 inches, these are 33 inches, and this is decking board. There's another fly, and this is 2x4s cut into 2x2s and then mitered to be a platform on a scrap 3/4 inch plywood with a jigsaw circle to just fit that top. And then of course the ball is spray painted. It is just a regular $3 ball in the kids toy section, and it's got some of that heavy duty tape with a big old fish hook, and that is rigged with fishing line up to 2 eye hooks to keep it centered. And then of course I've got screen. This is the fiberglass screen from any of your big home improvement stores with T50 staple, arrow staples all around and nailed in. And of course did a lackluster job spray painting, but it's catching. And I found out that late afternoon or early afternoon is when they start feeding, because I'm trying to get this well house built and painted, which I'm going to try painting it this afternoon. And this little guy, well, he's kind of big. He's going to help me. He's going to keep the flies off me, hopefully. So I think that does it for the fly trap video. Thanks for watching.